Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how to make this Ayurvedic hair growth oil. So the first thing I added to my bowl is Amla powder, and the second one is my clove. I am using about 1 tablespoon each of these herbs that I'm using. So I've added Amla and cloves. The next thing I'm going to add is my lavender and saffron buds or saffron flower. This is actually the bud. The lavender strands and the saffron strands are mixed together, so I think I'll leave it like that. And my hibiscus, I'm also adding my hibiscus, and as you can see I am using 1 tablespoon each for each of these herbs. Next one, I am adding my fennel seed. So this is what fennel looks like. You can actually blend this into a powder. If there is anything here that you want to be in the powder form, you can go ahead and blend them into a powder form. And this is my fenugreek powder. This is my favorite powder, favorite thing I love using in my hair. So I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek and also add it to this. So you guys should expect a new recipe on my chili powder and fenugreek hair butter, because I am working on something right now and I'm going to make sure it comes out very nice and more moisturizing. So you guys should just wait up for that video. It will come very soon. So I just mixed everything together, and trust me, this mixture smells very nice. I don't know the reason why it smells so nice, but it smells nice. And I lost the clip of where I added my first oil. I added my neem oil, and now I'm adding my grapeseed oil, and I'm also going to add avocado oil to this. And yeah, this video is quite self-explanatory if I say so. You just have to watch me and watch the steps that I've been doing. So now that I'm done adding my oils, I'm going to mix everything properly together, and then I'm going to transfer this mixture into a clear jar. I wanted to show you guys what I'm adding and how I add it. That's why I added it to this bowl first. So I'm going to transfer this to my clean jar, and then I'm going to double boil this for a few minutes on low heat. So a few minutes later, this is what the oil looks like. Now the next thing I am going to do is to strain out the powders and all the herbs from the oil, and I'm going to strain it out and I will show you guys what it looks like. Now I am straining the oil out. I'm going to squeeze as much as I can, and then that's it. There you have it. That's the oil. Now to use this oil, you can use this at least 2 to 3 times in a week to see effective results. You can apply this to your protective style and carry it up to 1 month. So that's all I actually have to say for this video. This is what the oil looks like. and I'm going to mix it properly, and then I'm going to transfer this into a bottle. And yeah, I think we're good here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched this point and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe and join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.